Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can freeze frame in Premiere Pro. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Premiere Pro. And let's suppose I want to freeze frame from here. You simply need to move this. And now you simply need to select the clip. And then you need to click the right mouse cursor. And here you can see different options. You simply need to click here, insert frame hold segment. And now you can see that 2 seconds frame hold segment is added. And now I'm going to show you the second method. So let's suppose you want to freeze video from the end. So you simply need to come and select the video part that you want to freeze. Click the right mouse cursor here. And here you can see add frame hold. And now you can see that freeze frame is added here. So now I'm going to show you the third method. So let's suppose I want to freeze this frame only. Then you need to click on this camera icon. And you need to, I'm going to add car hold for example. You simply need to select the format, and here you need to check this box as well. Then you need to click on OK so that it will be added here. Then you simply need to copy this, and let's suppose I want to add this for this one little section. You need to cut clip from here, drag it here, and add this part here. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can freeze frame in Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.